Churchill, he is a great man. He is of course our enemy and has always been the enemy of communism. But he is an enemy one must respect, an enemy one likes to have. We have spilled an ocean of blood for the brotherhood and unity of our peoples, and we shall not allow anyone to touch or destroy it from within. I am the leader of one country which has 2 alphabets, 3 languages, 4 religions, 5 nationalities, 6 republics, surrounded by 7 neighbours, a country in which live 8 ethnic minorities. A decade ago, young people en masse began declaring themselves as Yugoslavs. It was a form of rising Yugoslav nationalism, which was a reaction to brotherhood and unity and a feeling of belonging to a single socialist, self-managing society. This pleased me greatly. None of our republics would be anything if we weren't all together. But we have to create our own history of united Yugoslavia, also in the future. No one questioned who is a Serb, who is a Croat, who is a Muslim. We are all one people. That's how it was back then, and I still think it is that way today. Whether that be a Muslim, Bosniak, Serb or Croat, everyone can be what they feel that they are, and no one has a right to force a nationality upon them.